Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about mango. Number 1. Mango is a tropical fruit. Number 2. They are juicy and sweet. Number 3. It is known as the king of all fruits. Number 4. They come in various varieties. Number 5. They have a unique flavor. Number 6. The skin can be green, yellow or red. Number 7. The fruit has a large seed inside. Number 8. They are rich in vitamins A and C. Number 9. They are popular in desserts. Number 10. It is the national fruit of India. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.